welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 1st to the 5th of December 2025 on Monday. Soga reconciles with Msizi. Musi confesses his crime to their grandmother. On DK said he cases honor against her wishes, shocking Neo. Pearl files a police report after being scammed on Tuesday. Soga beats a tearful goodbye to Musa, who awaits sentencing. Msizi forbids mentioning Musa at work, seeing a new thief. Neo and Honor struggles with KD's video set tension on Wednesday. Nkosi's decision to return to work shocks Faith. Honor faces humiliation after Neo rejects her, and Mampo's fleetly plan with Biggie set up an unexpected meeting on Thursday. Faith's plan to keep Nkosi from work unravels when Gokusia supports him, while Honor's trending video kiss sparks jealousy, tension, and conflict among her friends. On Friday, Faith's scheme to stop Nkosi's return seems to work as Gokusia warns him about losing his spiritual path, while Honor's apology leaves Neo torn between forgiveness and heartbreak. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.